First thing in the
Suction cup
video.
fans.
First thing in the video is just horns. Honk, honk if you love Jesus.
Yeah. Honk, honk. Wait, sorry. It's good enough for you.
I wonder what this button does.
This is a bucket.
Oh,
God.
Dear God.
there's more.
No.
No.
Oh God. Oh God, he still has Padoru. I'm very proud.
Where can a cowboy like me get some apple juice?
This video's gonna be such a fucking cesspool.
Implying it wasn't one the second you hit record.
Yeah.
Implying it wasn't one the second you existed.
Unfortunately, I don't think it caught fucking Wiz's suction cup man quotes.
Aww.
That just gives you an excuse to do them again.
I'll smudge your windows all I want! Look at me go!
I'm convinced that Wiz is actually the voice actor for Suction Cup Man. That was part of his voice acting career.
No.
That's what you want us to
I totally don't have this library of deleted suction cup lines.
with suction cup lines.
I mean, I
That were just a tad too vulgar for the internet ears.
for some reason I can manipulate my voice in many different ways.
Oh God!
Exactly how?
Oh God!
But I cannot do this. But I cannot do the what?
The Bible! It says the Bible.
You dare question the words of the mighty Jimmy?
How dare you insult our leader, Jimmy?
Oh God!
Chad, everything is going to shit.
Wait. Pick.
Yeah.
Josh, I just
Wakanda
murdered
that
you
voice.
nearly.
Wait, what?
Wakanda forever in that voice.
Wakanda forever.
Perfect! And now we're racist.
Oh?
My video is fucking PG-13.
Hang on.
Hey Josh,
Your
you should
video
probably...
just went straight to A, my man.
Hey Josh, you should probably shoot me multiple times since I nearly killed you.
I got away. What are you guys playing, by the way?
World of Warships.
Aw.
Okay. They're playing World of Warships, and I can't play with them because I'm in a Europe server. It's a very sad life.
You sound like a villager from Element Animations.
Dear God.
That's the entire objective. I am actually the voice actor for them.
Bullshit.
Everyone here's a voice actor for someone.
And again, you're
and I'm just
just-
retarded Hulk Hogan.
I don't voice act anything, I'm just a
Wait,
disappointment.
what did you say, Wiz?
I said bullshit, but actually you're just British enough for it.
Exactly. Because I am British, you idiot.
Oh God, this is Caledon. This has torpedoes.
Hooray! What do I win?
Oh, torpedo beat.
Feeling.
Torpedo beat. Torpedo beat if you love Jesus.
Torpedo file.
I didn't torpedo beat.
Bag, get him, bag, the bag.
Okay, I'll get revenge.
Round on Christmas Eve.
Fuck him up. And fuck him up quickly because I don't know how to cut videos.
Oh! I'm doing it as fast as I can, Oni-chan. I can't be any faster.
No, yes, I'd like a gift. Then get him the bag.
I invite you to stop.
Please get him the bag.
Destroyed an enemy cruiser.
You have destroyed an enemy cruiser.
You've
You have
destroyed
destroyed
your
my
sense
will
of
to live.
stability.
I have destroyed my mental stability.
Yay!
Look at Josh go, kids.
Da-da-da-da-da, suction cup man, look at me go!
Josh
want
is a
to-
Nazi.
Yes, what? I mean,
Yes.
huh?
I'm convinced that Pick is a Nazi because he's in Europe.
What am I fucking...
Shit,
Some
they're on
kid-
to me.
Some kid in my math class has German with me, and he's like, yo, I'm pretty convinced that our German teacher's a Nazi. They're so energetic, I swear to God. And I'm just sitting there like, wait, what?
No, the only German here is Viz. That's not Viz.
Was it silent?
We've scared him. So how did the two people watching this video, probably when I uploaded it, fucking think of just
I
this.
broke my foot's ligament.
They know
I
what they
cut
got.
this boat in half.
Marisa shot this boat in half.
No, but the joke is that I actually
look
have
at it.
broken my ligaments in my foot.
Yeah,
I was in hospital.
we know.
I was in hospital for 3 hours.
Off my point, you bitches.
Get off my lawn.
What the?
Hippity hoppity, get off of my property.
Well, normally that's just an old man quote. That's really a reference to Gran Torino.
Oh,
And I'm glad I know that.
Oh god.
Hippity hoppity, get off of my property.
Get off my lawn.
That's what my wrench's description is in TF2.
Gentlemen, welcome to the Rock.
It's hippity hoppity, get off of my property.
I have
We're all
I have a
now.
strange knife on TF2 that's called strangely shaped butt plug.
Okay. How much did it cost?
Yes.
Okay.
You
That
fucking
infant.
bastards! What have you done? You bastards!
Bang.
No!
I could sell you
You
my
kill Kenny.
virginity.
How much?
Free.
Whoa
Amazing.
there.
I'm a cum slut.
Okay.
Steady on, chat.
How about this? Instead of saying in sexual intercourse, you're making me a cup of tea.
Yes, yes, yes.
If someone else does not want that tea, give me the tea. Because I always want tea.
Who would buy my virginity for only the fuck?
Exactly what I do. Give me tea, boys.
I would like to buy your virginity. Okay, that will be one fuck. Wow, what a deal!
That's how trading your virginity works. You just get fucked in the middle of the fucking grocery store or whatever.
Later.
You just get railed in the ass by the cashier.
Jesus.
There's a video of that somewhere.
Please, no. I've already seen enough shoplifting videos. I don't need this.
Mm. I didn't know that's what you liked, Liz.
Sticking a box of Cheez-Its in your pants.
Yes. Yes. When they come to suck it later, it'll taste cheesy.
I shoved a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
My hair screams straight out of Compton the anime.
Oh god.
That's what somebody just said.
Warning for unsporting conduct! You don't say!
Unsporting conduct. I fucked somebody on the pitch.
Hey Josh,
What?
destroyer time.
Uh-oh.
It's time to play the fucking
don't.
train whistle boat.
Choo choo.
They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8.
Oh
Shunting
God!
trucks
Oh,
and
no.
hauling freight. Red and green,
Shut
brown
your
and
gob.
blue. They're the really useful crew.
Shut your gob before I glue you fucking... I forgot. I don't know.
Shut your
give
gob
up.
before I glue it.
Yeah, just saying, say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Ah,
Yeah, yeet.
I'm too young
Japanese lyrics, 9 till you know. And it's dance till you're dead, but instead it's just 9 till you know.
Okay.
to
Thanks to your dead, but you're already dead.
Motherfucker.
Crypt of a
9
necro
till-
dancer, but you are the necro dancer.
Oh my god.
1, 2,
9
7,
till
3.
you know, no. I highly doubt anyone.
Newt.
I highly doubt anyone within a 50-mile radius knows what 9 till you know is.
I will in a few moments here.
Did a Cerno mean?
It's a fucking vocal arrangement of one of her themes. Yeah.
Oh my god. Crypt of
The enemy has surely rallied stronger for
Crypt of the
reinforcement.
Necro ass.
Crypt of the Necro Dancer, except you can only move not to the beat.
Oh god!
Oh fuck no! I'm a drummer. I can't do that shit.
Wiz would have a
Crypt of the
fucking
ass
seizure.
Roma.
I still live for the day we find some way to have Wiz play the drums on mic. Some fucking way.
I'll find a way. Where do you live?
Oh,
America, fuck off.
America, fuck off.
Oh, don't worry, I'll find a way to find who you are.
really think North Korea's stupid enough to attack America? Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Not until you know.
Ready, ladder, po. Na na na.
Get off my point.
No.
I wasn't on it to begin with.
Hey
I'm talking
Josh,
to
if
the
you need
infested.
smoke screens, stay behind me and tell me when to deploy.
I don't understand how useful smokescreen is, like, in a ship battle. It's just...
Really useful.
You can't see ship, you can't shoot ship.
It lowers
I
the
can't see ship, Captain!
it lowers the detecting range, like without shooting down to 2 kilometers.
Oh, also, Chadley,
Yeah,
do you want to know facts about the smoke screens? They conceal torpedoes.
yeah. That's why hydroacoustic radar exists.
No, that exists for Pan-Asian destroyers, fucking pieces of shit.
Looks like I'm gonna be going for Pan-Asian destroyers.
Pan-Asian destroyer torpedoes have a 0.6 kilometer detection range.
What? So you literally don't know they're there until they're about to hit you?
Oh, blimey.
Yeah, but they don't damage destroyers.
Oh,
Take
We
on.
only damage cruisers and battleships and CVs, so yeah.
So a destroyer that can't counter a destroyer?
Yeah.
Nope, just can't count in general.
Hey, hey Wiz, you know what this means? Speed boost.
where the fuck do you find this?
I don't know, man.
It's best not to ask
That is the
questions.
main source.
I mean, I think we all know the answer to the best meme that I've said this today. French cruisers move 50 knots backwards and 40 knots forward. The propellers are on the front of the ship.
Just fucking backing that ass up into the enemy line.
Back to that ass up.
Bring that ass off. Chad. Oh, you died to fucking torpedoes. I'm scared to turn this corner.
Daka Daka is around the corner, be careful.
I'm gonna get fucking torpedoed and die.
So Wiz, I just got killed by Clemson.
Sorry, hold on, I'm shooting things. What?
I got killed by Clemson.
Ah,
So I got Daka Daka by torpedoes.
Daka motherfucker.
Is Wiz playing World of Warships with me?
Yep, there's the torpedoes!
I wish.
If you pressed R, you would have clutched that at 17 HP. I'm convinced that the Clemson's one of the best destroyers in the game.
Clemson is
The best destroyer in the game is a French cruiser.
How? And why?
Our entire fucking team dies to torpedoes within the first minute.
God.
No, but the actual thing is, the French cruisers are the fastest ships in the game. Well,
That makes me so fucking angry.
The Emil Bertan is the fastest ship in its entire tier. It moves at 40 knots.
Without its speed boost.
Without its speed boost. Oh, yeah.
We also
need
can't
to
forget it
find-
moving 50 knots backwards.
I need to find which ship has the fastest fire rate so I can just
Titan Japanese destroyer,
God.
gunboat side.
Oh.
What?
I told
Wait,
that
so they're
colony
actually
the
split
only
up
colors
into
I need a
torpedo
red,
boats
red,
and gunboats?
Yeah.
I didn't... I thought there were just 2
Shimaka-
different destroyers you could choose from, per tier.
Shimakaze is torpedo. And other one.
I really
called Haruma.
Yeah, all I know for sure is I really fucking want Akazuki. Just so I can replicate feeding the duck and have a 2-second reload time.
Oh, don't worry, the Harugama has less than that if you build it properly.
Excuse me?
The Harugamo, if you're on 100 health as the Harugamo with adrenaline, you have a 0.7 reload time.
Wait. Wait. Who hurt you? Who hurt you to know this? Who fucking hurt you, Pick?
Can you imagine? We almost got him! Wait a minute! Where'd the sun go?
And then it's just fucking, just like Ride of the Valkyries or some shit starts playing as a bunch of fucking artillery shells fall on you from the sky.
Oh, and it's double barreled. Oh, and here's another fun fact for you: the Harugamo's double barreled,
Jesus fuck.
and it has 5 guns.
I wish that in practice matches you could fucking just practice as both, like, ships you don't have. Cause that just
So,
sounds...
in a nutshell, Chad,
Yeah?
it fires 70 shells every 10 seconds.
Wait, no.
At that
We need to
speed.
fire one. We need to fire one less shell every 10 seconds.
You can fire fucking 10 shells a second or some shit if I did my math right.
Yeah, pretty much. Wait, no. Yeah, 10 shells a second.
Or more.
If you
Actually,
break your
probably
mouse...
about 11.
If you break your mouse clicking fast enough, you could probably do a little more than that.
No, you're better off holding it down.
Oh my god.
Because when you never stop firing, it's just a constant array.
Oh yeah, I always forget that you can just hold your click in this game and shoot.
Death incarnate.
It doesn't unleash a full barrel, but if you hold it down on a really fast fire rate ship, it shoots one then the other, so it's timed in motion. So it fully dakas rather than just shooting daka.
I don't know why I'm still spectating this.
Return.
Exit to port.
Spy, rescue, and mobile defense. Not bad.
I don't know why I was spectating that still.
I still
Look at
am.
my limbo.
Oh?
But yeah, daka. It's the ultimate daka.
What's the fastest fire rate ship I can get my hands on currently?
Fuck you.
Which of these ships has the highest fire rate? How the fuck do I
Super
check?
Vandal. Oh.
How do I check the fire rate more efficiently?
You Google it.
Oh?
Imagine just like... I need to know something about a ship, so I just scream to my living room asking my Google Home Mini something.
Oh my god.
Hello, sunshine. I'm coming to eat your children.
Hello there.
Eat my children.
You know, I would,
But
but
I'm
you
not
haven't
going
seasoned
to.
them.
Hey, damn,
They've not been seasoned.
Bruce, can you get over here?
Don't forget to season your children, kid.
If you threaten your children eating their eyeballs, then be sure you at least season them.
Good night.
I'm gonna lick your eyeballs out of the sockets.
Okay, what fucking ship do I want to play? Which of
Did I just hear Pick say ask for the suckies?
Oh my God.
What?
I'm gonna lick your eyeballs out your sockets.
Okay.
Hey, Pick.
That's even worse somehow.
Pick, help. How do I check the fire? Like, how do I check the fire rate on a ship?
You don't.
Fuck.
Eat shit and die.
No?
I would, but I'm not going to.
Oh.
I'm in a case.
Wait.
Time.
Yeah.
Hey, Josh, tier
You
5
think
time.
simply eating shit will kill me?
Hey, Josh, it's tier 5 time.
Also, I don't know.
Thou art
Tier 5,
sorely
so I could
mistaken.
use Tier 4.
Wow! Suck my ass.
Look, I would, but like,
9 till you know. Here's my address, Josh. Come suck my ass.
Fucking fuck. Fuck and a half.
The designated panic siren playing Warframe.
fucking a quarter?
Wiz is the designated panic siren. You're the pan-pick siren. I'm just gonna stab myself because of that pun. That was horrendous.
Don't stab yourself.
Don't stab yourself.
Why not?
'Cause I have to stab you.
Warning for unsporting conduct!
Quick question.
Yeah.
If Thanos snapped his fingers in the world of Konosuba, what would darkness feel?
Depends on how much pain it causes.
Good point.
Because we know it at least causes discomfort, but I don't think it's really shown how much pain it causes.
I don't think it really even causes pain, because nobody's, like,
makes you
screaming in agony.
Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good.
He just fucking throws up a rainbow or some shit. Alternate ending to Infinity War where everybody just throws up rainbows instead of dusting.
And then fucking dies.
Alternate reality where fucking instead of getting Thanos snapped, they just explode.
Tony's just standing there covered in bits of Spider-Man. He's like, what the fuck, Thanos?
Oh god, there's a fucking Mason now on the enemy team! They have an Indy, Josh! They have an Indy!
What?
They have Indianapolis.
Indy-chan
Kawaii!
Fucking
Oh, Nate-chan, move aside. My religion is Indianapolis.
My religion is Indiana Jones.
My religion is Richelieu.
We know.
If you don't know which my religion
My religion is Turpits.
There's a lot of ships by the lake.
My religion is Turpits because I had an existential crisis when I couldn't get her in Azure Lane.
I don't know. I don't.
Chad fucking went through Stockholm Syndrome.
I'm coming to eat.
That
I
would
would
work
prefer
except
World
that.
Chad gets fucking held captive by Turpits.
I would prefer World of Warships over World of Tanks over World of Warships because World of Tanks is the Dicker Max. The Dicker Max is the greatest tank in the world.
Oh, I have been detected.
Wait, Chad, you're playing a ship that has double deep breath?
Calm down, Josh. We get that you're sexually frustrated. No! Josh, I'm getting shot by like 4 of them again.
How fucking annoying would it be to have someone on your team and it's like, I see you're playing a ship with insert breath size here.
Oh my god.
Memorize all of the ship's titty size from Azure
I'm sure
Lane.
Pink could do that.
I'm certain that Chad already did.
I just watched 6 torpedoes hit a fucking mountain. Clearly they were coming after me because there are none of my allies that could have been hit. But how do you hit? What? I'm still recording, by the way.
Fun.
Oh no, my lies and no, I'm being exposed on YouTube.
I'm being exposed on YouTube.
Okay, guys,
Exposition.
here's everyone the Discord's username and their numbers.
You fucking do that and I'll shove it.
No, I don't want to be famous again.
Again.
Again? Yeah.
You forget he had a voice acting career.
But did he actually, like, genuinely?
I said the N-word.
Did he, like, genuinely have a voice acting career?
You'll never know.
But I want to.
Exactly.
Too fucking bad, my man.
Got a new club.
Wait, where did Chad's the way over there?
Oh, we ain't talking.
Oh yeah, I forgot my... Oh god! Oh god! There's a battleship shooting at me!
That's okay, I'll fuck him up, Chad.
My deck is reaching a fever pitch that's really fucking hot!
There's a fire burning in my heart. It's reaching a temperature that's really fucking hot.
Aaron Hansen is the funniest man alive.
Oh god, there's multiple fucking BBs shooting at my ass. I'm so fucking dead. I forgot how to play DDs. What the fuck am I even
King
singing?
DDD.
Oh no.
One of my favorite colors, hex color code is DDD.
Son of a fucker.
Son of a fuck.
I'm getting bullied. I'm getting bullied, Josh. I'm getting bullied. I'm getting bullied.
I'm trying to help you, Chad,
I
but...
get bullied. I get bullied. I get bullied.
Very good, Frank.
Robo bitch.
Mega fake.
Crazy ass. Combining the memes. Get fucked, battleship. I sunk your battleship.
I'm gonna sink you.
It's in his name. Amazing.
God, oh fuck.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Okay.
Fuck. Fuck.
Ow. Dead.
You don't get to die, Josh.
But I want to.
Nope.
To whoever watches this video will be very confusing that I am not playing the same video game.
I mean, they both have war in the name, so they're clearly the same game.
Correct.
This is a mistake, just like me. This is just this is a mistake, just like me. Just like me. Just like me. Just like me.
No,
just like
you're
me.
not a mistake.
What the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? Please,
What
please.
the fuck are you
Let me in my
saying?
smoke. Let me in my smoke.
Get me huggy wuggy zoo.
In my fucking smoke.
Vape Nation.
Nate Vicious.
Yo, UK cruisers is just UK cruisers invented vape. Can't you see? Haven't you all seen how much smoke they dish out?
Huh, where did those torpedoes come from? Ow. I have no idea where the fuck those torpedoes came from. But okay.
Everything hurts.
Yep. That's a lot of torpedoes. Good thing they're not headed for me.
I disabled your steering gear, asshole.
It was me, Geo.
What was it?
It was not.
Silly Dio.
Oh, I hit the Citadel on
Scams are
accident.
for kids. Get fucked. Get absolutely fucked. You inbred baguette.
You inbred baguette.
I just realized it's Naza now that I sunk. It feels good, man.
Oh, somebody's torpedoes just saved my ass.
Got you in my sights. What the fuck?
Josh just fucking expelled his inner demons. Don't mind.
That was either A Gorgon wraith just devouring something, or B, a dreadnought level death laser charging.
That's the realistic noise that Inaros makes when he sucks somebody to death.
Not happy.
Not happy.
He doesn't make any of the noises you actually hear in the game. He just goes.
Immense uncomfortableness. Jimmy's status rustled.
How do I want to upgrade minicades?
Jesus fucking Christ, cat.
I wonder.
You need to give me a warning before you jump on me like that, man. We talked about this.
That's gonna be in my video.
What?
You screaming at your cat and me burping in my mic is going to be part of the video.
Oh god.
What a fascinating transpirance.
What the fuck is this video? I'm recording one more fucking World of Warships game and then I'm gonna stop.
I'm recording one more World of Warships gay.
Arc Royal.
I could understand if he said as only.
Oh, could stop dying for 10 seconds. That'd be
Lolly
great.
Police.
The lollies.
FYI open.
Lolly Note. Lolly Note.
Lolly review.
Lolly review.
Fortune is an amazing lolly. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Amazing.
Welcome to my TED Talk. Today I'm going to talk to you about why the lollies in a sewer lane are technically legal.
It's just like a solid minute of explaining that the which one is the youngest and which one's the oldest.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, and now enjoy your hentai.
Seeing a temperature that's really fucking hot.
Make sure on your way out to collect the flash drives. I have given it to you guys as gifts.
The 10 terabyte flash drive's totally not filled.
This fucking lollies from a sewer lane.
I just you guys ever look back on something and realize that you could have taken a completely different turn and it would have gone better? My friend was teasing me because I like anime, and he said, Timmy, why do you have a folder called homework, and why is it 5 gigabytes? And I don't remember how I responded. All I know is I just came upon the realization that I should have fucking responded with something to the effect of 5 gigabytes rookie numbers.
Oh god. Applying I don't have 12 gigabytes.
Oh
1
shit.
terabyte.
My entire computer is full of World of Warships, Azure Lane, Discord, and porn.
Wait, you mean that last one isn't also a Azure Lane?
Azure Lane is just a tame hentai.
Have you seen some of the fucking beach skins?
I have, and that's why.
Like Prince of Wales' fucking nipples. Oh, and we also can't forget that we can see Takao.
Curious Taco.
At long last, I can marry a
We can't
boat.
forget that we can see Taco's fucking camel toe.
Can't believe we can see the taco's taco.
Wait, when did I get a plane? I have a plane, Chad. What?
Shit.
I have no idea.
Chad, I got a plane.
I have no idea. Did you upgrade
I
your Myogi's modules?
I pressed the plane button.
Did you upgrade your Myogi's modules?
Where is my plane? Is that my plane?
The yellow one's yours. Oh wait, no, it's not yellow for you.
The
Shit.
module upgrade is secretly making my tits big.
Well, when...
Oh shit, I've been detected by a bombing fleet.
Wait, I'm confused. I pressed the
Beep,
Y
beep.
button, but I don't know what it did.
I forgot that I'm supposed to hug islands as destroyers, don't mind me. Don't fucking worry about it.
I pressed the Y... Oh wait, did that just detect the aircraft? I think that's what it did.
Aircraft detected. Pew.
Enemy spot. Oh god. An enemy spot.
Bomb has been defused.
Where's the bomb?
Yo, Nemo wouldn't have happened if he didn't touch the butt.
Actually, it probably would have, because he was just under the boat. In general.
Yeah, but he touched the butt, and that clearly, the butt clearly felt it, and so it knew he was there.
What? Fucking confused.
Hey, I made it. Oh shit!
In an alternate
That's-
universe where it's Azure Lane, but it's regular fucking civilian boats.
I
Oh,
died.
shit.
Again.
No!
World War II, but a bunch of elementary school kids are the ones making the ships.
What's the difference?
The fucking raft wars.
I totally didn't just face tank a torpedo. Don't fucking worry about it. Don't
worrying about it.
fucking worry about me.
I'm very worried.
I could have torpedo beated that if I was less retarded.
What the hell is hitting? Huh?
Bombers, maybe?
Maybe. I don't know.
Alright, how's this Kuma that I'm sneaking up on?
Kuma.
How you doing, sweetheart? Jesus fucking Christ, there's a battleship staring right at me. Jesus fucking Christ.
Renee running out of circulation, there's no oxygen.
Renee rope around neck.
Go commit rope neck.
Go commit Despacito.
Go commit anti-alive.
You can only choose one. Despacito 2 gets released, or you get a cat girl as your wife.
Second option.
Catch me at my dog's funeral because I be hitting it from behind and desp sauce. Oh hey, these bombing planes are going after me. Please no. Please no. You missed, assholes!
You missed holes?
Fill my holes, mommy.
Okay. Don't ever say that again, thanks.
No.
Alright, now is the time we put away the internet.
I'm still recording an epic gameplay video. Oh, hey, you might be. One of us might be about to get torpedoed, Josh. I think it's me. Ah!
Oh, is it? No.
It's me.
It was you. No. Don't die, please.
Torpedo beat. That was like an amateur torpedo beat at best. Alright, I don't...
Rookie numbers!
Hey Josh, if you need a smoke screen.
I know where the CV is, so I might just go for the fucking CV.
Where's my phone? There's...
Come on, all 6 of my torpedoes are gonna fuck you
Poor
up.
Miyogi, Jesus Christ.
Okay, I'm going for their CV as well, Josh.
Yeah, my plan was to get their CV, and it looks like everybody's going for it now.
My plan was to eat pizza, and here I am, pizzaless.
Oh, pizza time.
I want to ram their CV, Chad.
Do it, pussy.
I'm not fast enough. I'm a fucking Miyogi.
I'll ram it for you.
No!
Gas, gas, gas!
I wish I had my speed boost up.
Stop!
I love how the entire server goes silent as soon as somebody says speed boost, and it's just like, oh no, it's coming.
Yeah!
I fear no man.
Apocalypse! Ah!
That thing, it scares me.
I fear no man, but that
For fuck's sake!
it scares me.
Speed!
Speed!
Beats boost.
Beats boost.
Beats boost. Oh shit! There's a cruiser shooting at me. Do not want. I'm gonna fucking die. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. There's a torpedo
Ow!
fleet going after
Oh
my ass.
God,
What
I
the
just
fuck
got
is this?
fucking
What the fuck
bombed.
is this?
Come on. Come on, lad! I believe!
How about we don't do that?
Oh, that's a bitch.
Let's not and say we...
Let's not and say we did.
Now it's just me and our fucking Shenyang, rushing the Zwihu with our fucking speed boosts up. Oh god. It sounded muffled. Menacing. Come on, set the flight deck on fire so planes can't land or take off.
Excuse me? The fucking island just shot at me.
Nice. Oh my god. This poor CV.
Yeah?
Oof! Oh, and there's still cruisers.
Yeah.
Usually I go for
We're going
CVs
for
last.
A.
Looks like it's time to rush A.
Rush Z. The final battle.
I'm an amateur torpedo beater. I can sometimes kind of dodge torpedoes.
You're an average torpedo.
Oh, hey. Is the torpedo fleet about to nuke me?
Blow me now! Give me a fucking heart attack next time!
If only I could shoot the fucking planes with my main guns.
Ah, shit, love.
Alright, so there's one cruiser way I get H6.
Is
And then the other's
possibly
capturing.
torpedo. Yeah, I'm going for the one that's capturing right
Me as
now.
well, because I think I'm
The
closer.
other one's way too far away.
tried to play Seven Nation Army on the Minicase's horns. Seriously, that's one of my favorite videos that I've ever seen.
Yeah, and there's a few of them actually.
Oh, hell yeah.
Thank fuck. Blimey hell, thank fuck Macy.
The enemy team captured A. I'm gonna try.
Captured what?
I'm gonna try and I'm gonna try and clap this fucking cruiser's ass from behind.
Fitzwater.
That's not.
Fitzwater!
Start
Wait,
swinging
why
my
is my Miyogi's fucking turn is actually the death of me? Why?
Lol. LOL!
Miyogi, I'm only fucking using you so I can get better ships.
Oh
Oh,
god.
that's us.
I wanna hit it. I wanna destroy it.
I got a Citadel hit on accident.
Oh, you used hydroacoustic radar, you little ass.
You little asshole! I'm going to fill your asshole with torpedoes!
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna fill his asshole with torpedoes. Thank you.
Whiz.
That was a concern, not an interest.
That's what we all sell off.
It's okay.
Come on. I'm almost there. I'm almost there, Josh.
Let's go.
I want to be the last thing in this video, me failing to play Seven Nation Army on the fucking Minikay's horns multiple times and then clapping a fucking cruiser's ass from behind with torps. I just watched you try and ram it.
In the arms.
I haven't even hit it with torpedoes, Josh. You are legally not obliged to ram it until I hit it with torpedoes.
Oh god, torpedoes!
That's what you get for trying to ram a Königsberg. All I know is I cannot show this thing my broadside. Oh, hi. Oh god. No! I've been reamed! Well, thanks for watching, kids. This is fucking Eat Worms upload stupid shit. Subscribe or dislike or fucking report me. I don't fucking care. Goodbye.
You're gonna get demonetized!